Good morning, everybody. It's Dr. A back in the garden, and I'm so pleased to share things with you. It is 2023, January, and goodness, I'm still wondering what happened to 2022. What happened to 2000? Anyway, back in the garden. My garden is pretty ugly right now. It's January. I've got my little turtle here, but it's pretty ugly. It's it is what it is we've had a tremendous frosts here, and for Athens, Georgia, 8 degrees is very cold, a lot of rain, and just normal disasters that occur in winter. So the garden looks pretty lousy. But one of the things that I decided I have to do is give it a little hand. So while it looks pretty awful here, it looks a whole lot better because I decided it was time to put some compost on the beds. And as I look from the grass is dormant, then you can see what these beds look like now. I am a true believer in compost. I do it every year. My back complains, my wrists complain, everything complains about taking all this compost off a truck and putting it in a wheelbarrow after wheelbarrow. But oh my, it makes such a difference. So just so you can see, this is pretty beautiful stuff. We're very fortunate here that our landfill does a really good job in preparing compost properly, broken down, truly organic. So while I have to look at a pretty dead garden in January, not quite as dead as you guys in Cleveland or Des Moines, but it is really important to do this. This is much different than mulch, by the way. Compost is all organic, and I expect this to work its way into the soil. I don't dig it in or anything. I expect to work it in the soil. It's going to do it itself, and I don't do anything. There's bulbs under here, there's perennials under here. They will all come through just fine, thank you. And what this does is rejuvenate the soil. What mulch does is it keeps the moisture in and the weeds down. That's great. I'll put mulch on later, but this is much more important. So my little my little lesson to you, if you can stand it, is don't worry about your back. Hire somebody, hire a kid, hire your grandkids. That's going to happen, right? And have them put this compost down. You only need about 1 inch or so, not even that much, and it makes a huge difference. So this is Dr. A in the garden, and the reason my garden looks so good at times is because I try to help the soil. Soil is the basis for everything good in the garden. Okay, all the best. Hope to see you in beautiful Athens, Georgia. Hope to see you online. Hope to see you wherever I get out. Just follow me and you can figure out what the heck I'm doing, because I certainly don't know. All the best. See you in the garden. Bye-bye.